What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing our 5 days of Minecraft. Today we're going to be doing a Minecraft pig. Let's get stuck in to the video. Okay, so for the pig we're going to do a nice big square face. But I'm not making the corners sharp. I'm just going to make them rounded, just to soften his face up a bit. Then I'm going to add in a snout. And again, I'm not going to make that square, even though it's a Minecraft pig. I'm just going to round it up. And then also put in a couple of nostrils for him. These ones I'm going to make a bit squarer. And with the snout, you don't have to be super accurate and make it circular. I've just made it into sort of a nice big loopy shape. Okay, for his cheeks we're going to put in a couple of circles. So we can make him like a cute little pig with blush marks. And then I think for a pig I'm not going to give him massive cute eyes. I'm going to give him little beady eyes. Just like that. Not too big. And maybe just to give him a little glint of light, we're just going to cut in a little triangle into each eye. Okay, right, for his legs then, I'm just going to do again these little sort of blobby legs that go wider at the bottom. And that's his back leg that you can just see poking through. And then his other front leg. And then I'm going to put his tummy in. And then I'm going to go down to his back and then just come out a little bit where his foot is. Nice one. Right, so he doesn't have any ears and things because in Minecraft it's just a square head. So we can make the ears with a thinner pen with some detail marks. And the sort of Minecraft squares that you see on the character. So I put one in at the top. And one in here. And then we're just going to put a few more around just to give us some extra bits to colour in, because all the characters in Minecraft are made up of lots of different squares, which are all kind of different colours. Right, when you've done that, we're going to add in some sort of toenails on his hoofs, his trotters, and then 2 on the back. And then just adding in all these little details gives you a few more things or parts to colour in and make your character look a bit more interesting. And there he is. Right, to make him look a little bit more interesting, I'm just going to, because he looks a bit surprised, I'm going to put an exclamation mark over his head. Okay, so I'll just colour it in and it's going to look a bit like this. And there he is, one cute little Minecraft pig. If you're liking these videos and you want to see more of them, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Also, if you want to go down into the description, you can go onto my website and find all the pictures I've done on YouTube so far. And you should be able to go on there and click one and it should come straight up, easy peasy to download. And then you can just colour them all in. Right, I will see you next time. Bye! Snake, what's more? Snake! Snake!